Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. When it comes to luxury automobiles, few brands evoke the same level of prestige and performance as Audi. Established in 1909 by August Horch, Audi has since become synonymous with cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and uncompromising quality. A legacy of innovation. From the very beginning, Audi set out to redefine the automotive industry. Their commitment to innovation has led to numerous breakthroughs, including the introduction of the quattro all-wheel drive system in the 1980s, revolutionizing traction and handling in both road and rally racing. Craftsmanship and design. Audi's dedication to craftsmanship is evident in every detail of their vehicles, whether it's the sleek lines of the A4 sedan or the commanding presence of the Q7 SUV. Audi cars are designed to captivate both the eye and the imagination. Performance at its core. At the heart of every Audi is a finely tuned engine, delivering exhilarating performance and effortless power. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through winding mountain roads, Audi's commitment to performance ensures an unforgettable driving experience. Leading the way in technology. Audi has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, pioneering advancements in connectivity, safety, and autonomous driving. With features like Audi Virtual Cockpit and MMI Touch Response, drivers can stay connected and in control like never before. A sustainable future. Looking ahead, Audi remains committed to sustainability and environmental stewardship. From electric and hybrid vehicles to innovative manufacturing processes, Audi is leading the way towards a more sustainable future for the automotive industry. Conclusion. As we reflect on Audi's storied history and look towards the future, one thing remains clear: Audi is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a symbol of innovation, craftsmanship, and excellence. Whether you're behind the wheel of a classic Audi or one of their latest models, you're not just driving a car, you're experiencing the pinnacle of automotive engineering.